Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Alex Tech Raj. Now today I'll be telling you about a cooler which is the Bajaj DC55 DLX. It's a desert cooler. It has around 3 different types of speed requirements in it. It's around 190 watts. And it also has a swing and a pump which helps to give good cooling to the rooms. Now you can see it's quite big. The capacity of the tank is around 55 liters and the fan has a good strong breeze. Now if you see carefully, I'll show you around the cooler, the sides of the coolers. Now the cooler, if you see the different sides of it, it has honeycomb pads in it, all sides. That gives more effective cooling. Now if you can see the control panels on top, there are two switches here. Two knobs, basically one for the fan. You can see it has 3 points there and the swing and the pump. And on top there you can see there's also an ice chamber in which you can put cubes of ice and it's quite effective. It remains quite cold till the time. Now if you see here, now I'll put the fan on but you won't be able to make out the airflow so much, that's natural. But I can show you. As you switch it on, it will first come on the third, which is the most powerful air. With the sound you can understand how strong it is. Then the second and the first. Now this, at this level, it is more than enough to cool the entire room. You don't need to work it faster in this. It's more than sufficient as it has a very strong, good breeze in it. Now along with this, it also has the pump here, you can see. In this, it will only work the swing and the pump, and only the pump according to your requirement. If you don't want it to swing, you want the airflow to come in only one direction, then you can only use the swing at one time. Along with this, if you see, it also has knobs here to adjust the air delivery into the room, up and down according to your requirements. So overall it's quite a good cooler and it will give sufficient breeze. As you can see here, it also has a water indicator. This is for minimum, this is for maximum. So when you're filling the water, it will show you how much water is required and where to stop filling it. Now it has 2 to 3 ways through which you can fill water. You can fill it through this container here or this area, and also the back I'll show you where you can fill the water. You can also fill the water from here if required, and you can also fill it from the ice chamber which is on top from here. So there are 3 ways through which you can easily fill according to your convenience, but I feel the front portion is the best one, from where you can fill the water in it. Along with this, there's one more important thing. There's a small place from where the water comes out when it is filled extra. It will come out from here so that you'll understand you don't need to require any more water. But if you follow the indicator, you don't need it to overflow also. Along with this, you can see it has nice wheels underneath, which helps it to move around from one place to the other. So that makes it very movable and it's quite light to move from one place to the other. So it becomes quite portable to use. Let's see the internal parts of the cooler. You can see the cooler motor which is there. It has plastic blades and it looks quite strong and steady. These are the inside components of the cooler. These are the honeycomb pads which are inside there, the electric components which are inside the cooler. So these are all the things which are there. It is quite durable and quite strong, but I feel that one more thing should have been there, which holds the motor should be of plastic, as iron sometimes can get rusted, but it's looking quite good and quite durable. So that is all from my channel. So if you like my channel, please subscribe and like the video that I have made, and also give a big thumbs up to my channel. Thank you so much, viewers.